It's now time to speed things up here on Katie Quiz. This is what we call the Katie Quiz speed round. We have 10 questions prepared for each team, and they only have 60 seconds to answer as many of those questions as they can. We award 10 points for a correct answer. There are no deductions in this round for incorrect answers, and they're all going to be competing under the same category, which is odds and ends. So this is just a potpourri of questions. And we're going to start things off with Quaker Valley High School. You are up first, and your 60-second clock begins in 3, 2, 1. What is the term for the long hair along the sides and top of a horse's neck?
Mane.
In jousting matches, what piece of defensive equipment often is displayed on a coat of arms?
Shield.
What is Tinseltown?
Skip.
Identify the tiny fairy shoemakers of Irish folklore.
Leprechauns.
What kind of sonata for a full orchestra is usually divided into 4 movements?
Pass.
How were cars started before Vincent Bendix developed a self-starting drive?
Crankshaft.
At the speed of 1 knot, you travel 1 nautical mile in this length of time.
1 hour.
Other than soybeans, this large flower is the most important oilseed crop.
Sunflowers.
Along what river is the Big Bend National Park located?
Thames.
And time is up. With that, you got 6 correct in that round. That means you get 60 extra points added to your score, taking you up to 205 points. Very nicely done, Quaker Valley. Sharpsville, you are up next, and your 60-second clock begins in 3, 2, 1. Seasons are least obvious at how many degrees latitude?
90.
No. The statistically determined number of years that a person will probably live is called what?
Age expectancy.
What vast open space in front of the Vatican's basilica is oval-shaped?
Skip.
A character who tells a story in a work of literature is called what?
A narrator.
Which European country is known for its numbered bank accounts?
Germany.
No. The quality or state of being able to read or write is called what?
Literacy.
What continent has no navigable rivers?
Antarctica.
What type of membrane is associated with osmosis?
Cell membrane.
No. How many votes are required in the UN Security Council to veto an action?
1.
20 mule teams brought borax out of what California valley?
Silicon.
No. And with that, you ran out of questions just as time expired. You did add 50 points to your scores. You got 5 correct in that round, taking you up to 145 points. Nicely done, Sharpsville. Next up is Chartiers-Houston. Your 60-second clock begins in 3, 2, 1. You might use this shade of yellow to draw the songbird of the same name.
Canary.
What type of power is generated by running water, especially water falling over a dam?
Hydroelectric.
How many elements are listed on the periodic table?
Pass.
A cover crop is used to prevent what?
Erosion.
Where do plants get their energy from?
The sun.
What is the largest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter.
Established in 1961, the John Muir Award is the highest award given by which organization?
Pass.
What movie opens with a 24-minute sequence on Omaha Beach?
Baywatch.
No. In internet speak, what does the suffix .mil indicate?
Pass.
In debate, the negative. And time is up. With that, you were able to add 50 points to your score as well, taking you up to 135 so far on the day. And things here are close. And we're going to jump right into math time. This is a round where each team gets 2 math problems. We award 20 points for a correct answer. 20 points is deducted for any incorrect answer. And we're going to start things off with Quaker Valley. Here is your first math time question. We want you to simplify this expression.
1.
1 is right. look at this, and which sign makes the statement true?
Greater than.
Greater than is correct. Very nicely done. That means you have added another 40 points to your score, taking you up to 245 points on the day. Nicely done, Quaker Valley. Next up is Sharpsville High School. Sharpsville, here we go with your first math time question. We want you to classify the triangle shown as acute, right, or obtuse.
Acute.
That is actually obtuse on that one. Your next question, simplify this expression you see on the screen.
1 over f to the third. 1 over f to the third.
1 over f to the third is acceptable, or we would have also accepted f to the third. That means you got one right, you missed one there, your score stays the same, and that keeps you at 145 points, Sharpsville. And finally up, we have Chartiers-Houston. Here is your first math time question. What is the name of a 10-sided polygon such as the one you see on the screen?
Decagon.
Decagon is correct. We want you to subtract the radical expression shown.
-7 square roots of 2.
-7 square root of 2 is correct. That means you put on 40 points to your score, taking you up to 175, and that is good enough to move you into second place. Sharpsville is close behind in third place, and still leading the way is Quaker Valley with 245 points on the board. But we have our last round, something we call more or less, where some big points are up for grabs and where we will see this game decided. That's coming up next on KD Quiz, brought to you by GBU Life.
KD Quiz is brought to you by GBU Life, providing life insurance, annuities, and community support since 1892.